stays nice and orderly. Someone's coming. Hide. Get in the ball, 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 get in the ball. Gotcha. Hi, sis. Niblet! Shh. You don't want Mrs. McLeish to hear us, do you? Oh, she won't mind. She's really nice and really fun and nice and... Hey, what are you guys doing here anyway?
Just stopping by for your 3-month checkup. Once a pound puppy, always a pound puppy.
We're a full-service organization. Well, everything is great. I'm the most luckiest dog ever, and Agatha's the most bestest human a puppy could ever have, and Rebound! And here she comes now.
Statue time.
Well, there you are. Oh, my sweet little bundle of joy. Mommy loves you so much. And she has a surprise for you, too. Mommy's old friend is coming to tea, and she's bringing her doggy for you to play with. Won't that be fun?
Madam, Mrs. Mildred Abernathy has entered the gate.
There she is. Come along, Rebound. Funny, I don't remember buying any big, hairy dog sculptures. Mildred! Agatha!
I love what you've done with the mansion.
I love what you've done with your face. You look 20 years younger.
I was being sarcastic.
So was I.
Oh, heavens, you've got rats.
Droll as always, Mildred. This is Rebound, the sweet little dog I've been telling you about.
What an interesting creature.
So where's this purebred you've been bragging about?
I prefer to keep him off the lawn. We can't have him going to a dog show with grass stains on his paws, now can we?
That's quite the, hairdo.
Oh, isn't it, though? I take him to my salon. Only the best for my best in show. Northminster Kennel Club show, that is.
Well, he certainly is a handsome fellow.
Dear, we don't pet Sterling von Oxnard. It distracts him from his disciplined training. That, on the other hand, is what happens when a dog has no training at all.
Well, it just so happens.
Madam, tea is served.
Finally, some hospitality.
So, wanna play?
Sterling von Oxnard does not play. Sterling von Oxnard shows.
So you're one of those fancy prance dogs, huh?
And who are you? We're the Pound Puppies. Oh, yes, I've heard of you. Rescuing stray mutts and whatnot.
I'm a pound puppy, too, and they're my friends, and I'm their friend, and now you're my friend, too. Want to see my yard? Come on.
Things I do in the name of decorum.
I don't think I like that guy.
I like that owner even less. Come on.
Sterling's had quite a stellar career. I had to add another room just to hold his awards.
Rebound would probably win awards, too, but I just haven't had her compete.
That dog? Don't make me laugh.
See, you just run around like this, and then like this, and then like this some more.
No, thank you. I see no purpose in that exercise.
But it's fun, see? I'll even let you use my squeaky duck. Isn't it great? When I hear that squeak, I just want to have fun. And Agatha likes it too. She squeaks it at me and I squeak it back. It's our special toy because we're special friends. She's my person and I'm her pup.
You don't seem to understand the dog-human relationship very well, do you?
What do you mean?
Well, think of all the things your owner does for you. Feeds you, brushes you, walks you. Why do you suppose she does all that?
Because she loves me?
Wrong. Humans don't love you. They love what you do for them. I am a champion. I win ribbons and make my owner proud.
But wouldn't Mildred love you even if you were just her pet?
Hardly. The day I lose, watch out. Why do you think my previous owner sold me? 14 wins and then one unfortunate second place.
But Agatha never asked me to...
Nothing is free, child. She rescued you. You owe her. Sooner or later, you're going to have to prove yourself worthy, or she'll just move on to the next project.
But that can't be true.
If you don't believe me, come listen for yourself.
And then my Sterling won his 47th medal. Oh, the pride was indescribable. Of course, you'll never have to worry about that. Not with that hyperactive retread or whatever her name is.
That's it. I'm going to bite her. Calm command, Cooks. Calm command.
Hyperactive? I take umbrage at that remark. Certainly Rebound is a bit enthusiastic, but she's just a puppy. And as a puppy, she's every bit as well behaved as any other dog you might meet.
Look what I found.
Oh, Mildred, I'm so sorry.
Yeah, Yes, well, you can't teach breeding, can you?
Oh, really? Well, I believe you can. In fact, I've entered Rebound in a dog show myself.
Oh, really? When?
This Saturday.
Saturday. Well, then it must be the Northminster Dog Show. Sterling and I are entered as well. And, you know, we've won 3 years in a row.
Well, perhaps this will be the first year you lose.
Is that a challenge?
I believe it is.
Well, then, may the best dog win.
The Northminster Kennel Show? That's brutal. Yeah, and you should see this Sterling character and his stick in the mud only.
They're gonna humiliate my poor Seth. She's gonna be the laughing stock of the whole show.
Well, that's the pageant game.
What do you know about it?
You kidding? I was a show dog myself back in the old country. My stage name was Strudel der Schnitzel von Wiener. Ah, the glory days.
Incoming car.
Hey, it's my Seth. Mother, what are you doing here?
I need your help, Leonard. I've got a dog problem.
A dog problem? Why come to me?
Did they tell you? Did they tell you? I'm gonna be in a dog show.
Yeah, they told us.
Sorry we couldn't stop him, sis.
Stop him. Why did you do that? It's gonna be great. I'm gonna win and get famous and get lots and lots and lots of ribbons, and everyone's gonna call me best in show, whatever that means.
Hey, kid, do you even know what a dog show is?
Sure, it's a thing where you go and you show and no, not a clue. Well, then follow us.
You entered Rebound in a dog show?
Yes, and now I've got to get her trained.
But Mother, you've been so happy with that little dog. Why would you want to go and change her?
Because I've got to beat Mildred Abernathy, that's why.
Mildred Abernathy? That woman always scared me.
Well, she doesn't scare me, though heaven knows she's tried. Ever since we were children, she